Hi everybody, it's a Thursday afternoon here in Bangalore. Lovely weather, extremely windy. So if my hair or me or the hat that I'm about to wear is going to be all over the place, then bear with me. Yes, it's been a really long time since I spoke with you last because this one is the most difficult piece that I am attempting. This message for you today is I want you to reinvent and recalibrate your sensitivity. And first of all, just simply stop hiring and firing yourself. So here goes. This is this piece by this author, Glennon Doyle Melton. I will be reading it out to you. I understand now that I'm not a mess, but a deeply feeling person in a messy world. Listen carefully. Close your eyes if you have to. I understand now that I'm not a mess, but a deeply feeling person in a messy world. I explain that now when someone asks me why I cry so often. When someone asks me, why do I cry so often? For the same reason I laugh so often. Because I am paying attention. I understand now that I am not a mess, but a deeply feeling person in a messy world. I explain that now when someone asks me why I cry so often. For the same reason I laugh so often. Because I am paying attention. Glennon Doyle Melton. So what Cheems wants to tell you today is you stop hiring and firing yourself. Very often in the last few years, I've had people telling me, oh, oversensitive. You're too sensitive. And I looked up synonyms in the dictionary to see if I could find a finer way of describing who I am and what I can give, what my values are. I found words like mawkish, priggish for my values, overzealously pursuing my values, yes, priggishness. And recently I've come across this Portuguese word, nefilibata. I'm sure I'm pronouncing it incorrectly. It means cloud walker. I'm the person who views the world through rose-tinted glasses. I see goodness in everything, everyone, and in life. But that's what keeps me going on. That's what keeps my relationships going on. That's what keeps people close to me. So that's why I understand now that I'm not a mess, but a deeply feeling person in a messy world. Yes, I feel so much, and I have so much to give. I'm not a crowd pleaser, but yes, I do have a problem saying no. And you know why? Because I know what the value of a yes is. That simple, comforting, warm, welcoming, accommodating, accepting yes. When you give that to the person in front of you, do you know what it does to that person? It changes that person's world. It changes that person's worldview. That person not just becomes happy momentarily. That person just doesn't have a problem solved. That person starts seeing the world in a better life. That person starts believing, starts having faith. So the author says, when someone asks me why do I cry so often, for the same reason I laugh so often, because I am paying attention. Yes, Cheems has been paying attention all along to life. I am letting life and people and relationships and nature affect me in every way possible. I am soaking in the details, joys, sorrow, happiness, ecstasy, pain, loss, failure, success. I want life to touch me. I want to laugh as often as I can cry. I don't want to miss out on any detail in life. And that is what the lesson is that I have learned in life. And I wanted to share that with you guys today. So wishing you a very happy Thursday with all my heart. And Anika, this is for you. And Sue, thank you for this. Again, with all my heart.